In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install CapCut on your laptop or desktop computer. Whether you're a video editing novice or a seasoned professional seeking a reliable tool, CapCut offers a user-friendly interface packed with powerful features that suit all your video editing needs. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to a search engine like Google. Once there, type in CapCut on laptop and PC, or CapCut download. It's important to search specifically for these terms to ensure you're directed to the appropriate resources for laptop and PC users. As you browse the search results, pay close attention to the website links. You'll want to click on the link for the official website, which is typically www.capcut.com. This official site is your most secure option to avoid any risks of downloading viruses or unofficial versions. Once on the home page, you'll notice a range of features that CapCut offers to enhance your video editing experience. Now it's time to initiate the download process. On the home page, look for a button that says Download for free or something similar like Download for Windows/Mac. The website is designed to automatically detect your operating system and will provide the correct file for download, whether it's for Windows or Mac. Simply clicking this button will start the download process. As the download begins, a progress window will appear, showing you how far along the download is. If you're using a Windows PC, the file will most likely be an .exe file, while Mac users will receive a .dmg file. Be patient as the download completes. This is your first step toward unlocking CapCut's extensive editing capabilities. Once the download finishes, it's time to find that downloaded file. Usually it'll be located in your Downloads folder. Look for a file named something like CapCut.setup.exe or CapCut.dmg. Double-click on the file to commence the installation process. The installer will open and guide you through each step. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, so take a moment to read through these if you'd like. You may also be prompted to choose an installation location on your computer. Opt for the default location unless you have a specific folder in mind. After following all the instructions and prompts, the installation will be complete and CapCut will be ready for use on your device. From importing clips to applying special effects, everything you need is now at your fingertips for editing those videos with a professional touch. Happy editing and enjoy exploring the various features CapCut has to offer.